Whenever you open a new tab in Chrome, you can see these icons. They are your instant access to favorite sites. So, you can forget about hunting bookmarks or typing endless URLs. But here's the thing, most people don't even know about these shortcuts or how to customize them to fit their workflow. So today, I'm going to show you how to turn your new tab page into a productivity powerhouse. First things first, let's add a shortcut. See that little add shortcut button. Click it. Type in the name of the website. Then paste the URL or just type the URL address. Click done and boom, you have got yourself a shortcut. Google Chrome can also generate shortcuts automatically for the websites you visit often. To enable it, click Customize Chrome, scroll down, and here you can disable shortcuts and you can choose whether you want to manually add shortcuts or you want Chrome to do the work. So as soon as I choose this option, you can see Google Chrome has added new shortcuts based on websites I visit often. And hey, if you want to remove a shortcut, all you need to do is click those three dots and click remove. You can also click edit shortcut and change its name. So you are ready to supercharge your new tab page. Give these shortcuts a try and let me know how they transform your workflow in the comments below. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.